Hello and welcome to another historic cooking video. Today I'll be showing you how to make orange gingerbread from 1831. I wanted to do something a little bit festive for the month of December, and regular gingerbread doesn't really float my boat because I find that the flavor of the ginger is very strong. So when I came across this recipe that included orange rind, I thought that it would be an interesting one to try because it would diminish the flavor and strength of that ginger. So let's get into it. Here's the list of ingredients that you will need for this recipe. This recipe was originally from the cookbook The Cook Not Mad, which was first an American publication, and then it was printed in 1831 in Kingston, Ontario. Many historians recognize that this is therefore Canada's first published cookbook. I've done a lot of recipes from this text before. One of my favorites is actually Jumbles, and it's been my go-to Christmas cookie for years. But like I said in the intro, I wanted to try something a little bit different, and using fresh orange rind for this cookie recipe was something that really appealed to me. The instructions say to mix all your ingredients together, so I did this a little bit staggered. I first started with sugar, and then I added my spices. The orange rind was the last of the quote dry ingredients that I added. After that, I started adding the wet ingredients, which are molasses and melted butter. The molasses is what gives your gingerbread cookie the very typical brown hue. I found that once the cookie was consumed after finishing this recipe, the melted butter really gives it a very soft texture. It's not hard on the teeth. I find that there isn't a lot of moisture in the dough, which made it turn out a little bit dry. This didn't translate into the final cookie though. Once your dough is thoroughly mixed, roll it out and use your favorite cookie cutter to give it its typical gingerbread shape. Or in my case, don't even bother doing that and make them circular. Cut out all your dough and place on a cookie sheet and bake in a 325-degree oven for 12 minutes. The result is a perfectly balanced and harmonious gingerbread cookie, which, with the orange, is an amazing touch.